welcome to my channel. For all those who are new here, I'm Aparna Shah, and for those who've been connected with me, thank you so much for all the love. I love you guys. So now that Diwali is approaching, हम normally Basuda चले जाते हैं around 4-5 days before. But because Jatin's just started his shoot and my work at the spa of Pune has also started, this year we are not able to go to Basuda, which is so saddening because हम पूरे साल wait करते हैं for Diwali to come so we can just go back to our own home. And because I love wearing sarees so much, I only carry all my sarees there, and Bombay में नहीं हो पाता पहनना and all. But इस बार I thought let me just shoot some videos with sari because बाजदा में तो sarees पहन नहीं पाएंगे इस बार. So I thought because it's pre-Diwali haul, I'll just wear this sari and shoot this up for you. Now I have gone to multiple places. I went to Crawford, I went to Kolaba, I went to Shimmy Vogue, and I went to Miniso because as you all know, I'm redoing this house also, and we are making up our new house in Pune. So बहुत सारी शॉपिंग करने का बेसिकली चांस मिल गया है विदाउट जतिन शाह शाउटिंग एट मी एंड somehow I love shopping for homeware more than anything else. So today I'll start with maybe Miniso and Shimmy Vogue, and probably Crawford and Kolaba I'll do in the next haul. I've bought basically a lot of home stuff which are obviously Aku's favorite. Uske hi around we pick up whatever she likes. So I'll just start showing you guys what all I bought. This is from Miniso. So this is basically a headband that you use after your head wash, your hair wrap, or if you want to give like a good steam, you can use this. And I got these lovely hooks from Miniso. I picked up 3 different kinds of hooks of different sizes from Miniso. So they're very cute, like you can put it up in the bathrooms, and Aku uses them majorly in her almirah also. And this was for Aku Singh again. This is also Miniso. So this is the toothbrush holder, and this is her frog soap dish that she bought. And yeah, this is another holder that she bought for her sister in Bilaspur that she has to send. Then from Shimmy Vogue, we bought this machine bag, which is so cute. It is 3, I think 3 hai isme. 3, right. 3 of these sizes. And that's costed me very less, around 250 rupees. Another Shimmy Vogue product that we bought was this. This is like a hand towel, very cute. For our car, we got these car fresheners, which are very cute to look at also. There are, I think, 3 of them, yeah, and it's costed me around 190. Next, for my office, I bought my sticky notes because office mein I love that my office should be filled with like cute little things. I don't like boring office stuff. So yeah, that is what I bought. And these are the page flags that I bought. This was also from Miniso, which is like 100 rupees. From Shimmy Vogue, I bought this foaming pump, which is so cool. I really like the color of this. Normally, I love pinks and purple. Abhi, but pata nahi, for the past 1 year, my whole color favorites are changing. I don't know kaise. I'm loving these kind of greens, and suddenly grey has become my favorite. I have no clue why. But yeah, those are the colors I'm picking up more now. And this is the towel wrap that I've picked up. So you basically just wrap yourself in, and after bathing in the morning and nights, I need to, because you've seen my videos, I put a lot of creams and stuff. So मेरे को बहुत time लगता है right after bathing till before I get into my night dresses or day wear. So I just like, it's very comfortable. So I'm just in this doing all my face and makeup, and then I come back to, you know, getting dressed. So this is very comfortable. You must pick this up if you're looking for towel wraps. Another product from Shimmy Vogue, I picked this. The best thing I find about Shimmy Vogue is their towel textures are very soft. Like they're as good as probably Mother Care and all. So if you're somebody who is very particular about towel textures, I think Shimmy Vogue is the place to go. And the next thing I picked up is this rose petal. Now these are all soaps. So you basically take out one petal and use it as soap. My grandfather in Basta is very fond of soaps. So हम जब भी कहीं जाते हैं and we look at different kind of soaps, we always try and pick it up. अब ये मैंने I think बहुत जल्दी पिकअप करी. I have no clue when I'll be going to Basuda. But every beautiful soap that we see, we always pick it up for our Bapuji. So yeah, this is another product of Shimmy Vogue. Now next I picked up Shimmy Vogue's floor mattings, basically the door mat, which are so cute and adorable, and they are so cushiony. I cannot explain. I really hope you, when you go there, just take a jump on it. It is amazing. Now this is the second one that I picked up, and they are amazing and not very costly. This one I picked up for 260, so I think that's a very good deal. So these are the things I picked up from Shimmy Vogue and Miniso. I hope you guys enjoyed this, seeing this as much as I enjoyed shopping and making this haul for you guys. And let me know what you thought about this in the comment box. And until I see you guys again, keep shining.